work, kids.
Will you help us with our history lesson, Uncle Woody?
Speaking of history, let me tell you the part our ancestors played through the ages. A woodpecker has been around since the beginning of time. There was Neanderthal woodpecker, who fearlessly stalked his prey to eke out the choicest morsels of food. And then, the wildest game of all. He fell in love and lived happily ever after. The next era was in ancient Greece, where Spirus woodpeckeropolis made it what it is today. We wouldn't have the picturesque ruins if it wasn't for him. For this, they had a big parade for his going-away party. It was in Italy, when the finishing touch was being put on the Tower of Pisa, when Signor Woodpeckeroni happened by. He then attended a meeting of the Lions Club in Rome. For remodeling the Colosseum, Italy gave him the boot. Landing in Egypt, he proceeded to make a few changes on the map. Especially this map. He then migrated to England. Walter Raleigh Woodpecker introduced the first cigarette to the old world. But the Duchess found them hard to smoke when they were wet and soggy. Then in France, there was Fifi. So our ancestor took another trip. And proud I am to say, it was on the Mayflower. Anyone for shuffleboard? It was the time of wooden ships and iron men. Making it such a dull trip, he just pieced between meals. So when they arrived, he was the first to land on Plymouth Rock. Young George Washington met him one day.
I cannot tell a lie. He made me do it.
I'm very glad this happened. People will talk about it for years.
What about France and Fifi?
To continue with Washington, a beautiful friendship arose between George and the woodpecker. And many an afternoon they were seen yachting together on the Delaware. Later, he got a government job and had an important part in the signing of the Declaration of Independence. By this time, there was a big run on the East Bank. The word had leaked out in the Old World, and the New World became so popular that Horace Greeley had to say,
"Go west, young man."
"Just call me Davy Crewcut, Horace." So he took the train, and when the East met the West, a woodpecker was there to drive the golden spike.
When I nod my head, you hit it.
At Custer's last stand, there was one lone survivor of the horrible massacre, Uriah Woodpecker. Oh, no! In the winning of the West, Wyatt Earppecker ruled with an iron hand. Always vigilant.
Stop thief!
We want to hear about France and Fifi.
Well, in the shadow of the Eiffel Tower, La Apache Woodpecker loved, laughed, and danced his way through the streets of gay Paris.
Yeah, same old stuff. Just going to the moon for a picnic.
Goodbye.